Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom integration with Salesforce opportunities, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Zoom integration with Salesforce opportunities, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the upper left corner. Search for and select Zoom for Salesforce. Once in the Zoom for Salesforce app, in the settings menu, locate the integration section. Here, you will find options to connect your Zoom account. Click on the Connect to Zoom button. A new window will prompt you to log into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials and authorize the integration. Once authorized, return to Salesforce and confirm the connection status. Next, you need to set up your Zoom settings for opportunities. Locate the section labeled Opportunity Settings. Here, you can configure which fields will sync with Zoom meetings. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. After configuring, save your changes. Now, navigate to an opportunity record within Salesforce. You should see a new Zoom meetings related list. Click on New Meeting to schedule a Zoom meeting directly from the opportunity record. Fill in the meeting details as required. Once completed, click Save. Your Zoom meeting is now integrated with the opportunity in Salesforce. You can access meeting links directly from the opportunity record. Monitor any scheduled meetings through the related list for easy management. Finally, test the integration by creating a sample opportunity and scheduling a Zoom meeting to ensure it functions as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.